I have recently revamped my page and set a lot of things to private. What a sad time for Estados Unidos residents that are stuck there, especially ones that don't deserve it. The ones that deserve it, I give a fuck less about them. But having finally gotten the last toxic narcissist out of my life, just so also happens to be a Dave Navarro fan. Ooh, that bitch. Everyone, if you have been experiencing muy mal en la cabeza, that's some Nazi shit. I do your research for you, but I've already done it and left it here. And I just don't have a big enough audience yet. But if you suspect something ain't right, just trust that gut instinct and keep sussing it out. Keep sussing it out. Because if your intentions aren't malicious and just aim to hurt other people, then the truth will come out. The truth will come out. Look up the companies that bankrolled the Trump campaign. Whenever possible, don't support them. Find an alternative. Find some other company. See, the thing about history repeating itself is that we've already been told the discovery from Hitler was that the businesses that saw him as a tool to utilize for profit ended up finding out that it weren't so good for business. And that asshole Hitler ended up committing suicide. It's always darkest before the dawn. And the entire planet in general right now, with what Venus is doing, the veil is thin. Here in Peru, the veil is usually always thin. I don't know why, just gut instinct. That's why I tell you, trust your gut instinct. Here in Peru, it's always thin. So when you have something like this going on, and this is karmic. This is karmic. You can take down some of the biggest douchebags. I mean, that's all they are. Nazis are just cockroaches walking around like that dude on Men in Black, the fucking flesh suit on. And it's all about them. Well, we also know what happened after Hitler. The Nazis fled and tried to hide. South America was like, one of the main places. I'm already here. Like I said, I'm already waiting. I will be right here waiting for you. Come out, wherever you are. Of course, I've already established who a lot of fascists are.